Hello everyone, how are you today? Last time we talked about kinds of landforms such as mountains, the tallest land with pointed tops and steep sides. Plains, a plain is a land that is flat and wide. Hills, they are high, but they are not as high as mountains. Valleys are low lands between two mountains or hills. Islands, they are lands surrounded by water. Now open page 32. Mountains everywhere. Look at the landscape photo on the next page. Let's look at this photo. What do we have here? We have a landscape, right? And we have mountains, valleys, and water. That's right. So let's continue reading. Use the grid on the photo. Find out how much land mountains, valleys, and water take up in this landscape. Make prediction. Which will cover the most grid squares, the mountains, valley, or water. So let's look at the picture again. Okay, so which covers most of the squares in this picture? Mountains, valleys, or water? What do you think? Okay, that's right. Mountains, because we can see many mountains that are covering the squares, right? So let's write about that. I see. So let's write. I see a lot of mountains. In this landscape. I think most of the squares will be mountains. Okay, let's go to the next page. Number 5 here. How many squares covered mountains? I counted them. You can count them later. I counted them and they are 31 squares. So I'm going to write 31 squares. Did your observation support your prediction? Explain. Yeah. Why? Because when I looked at the picture, I saw that most squares would cover mountains, right? So let's write. Yes. I predicted most squares would cover mountains. Okay, we're gonna continue in the next video.